a daughter is what our future holds. I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love with